For all those who were killed in Palestine, and for all those suffering from the barbaric crimes and the genocide being committed by the Zionist entity against Palestinians, an army of lawyers and human rights activists from different countries raised their voice from the capital Algiers to call for justice for Palestinians and to say that those Zionist atrocities against them must not go unpunished.
The call was embraced at the Arab and regional level, so Mr. President's call have reached to those who are advocating for the Palestinian cause from a legal point of view. What we did is to implement this call in its first phase. There are still further actions and phases that will be undertaken by experts.
The Algerian initiative in particular and President Abdelmajid Tebboun's call to prosecute the Israeli criminals and to file lawsuits urged the Algerian judiciary and law experts to play this role. I think that it was the space for the holding of this forum. This is an important forum, a forum aimed at rendering justice for Palestine. We believe that it will create a breakthrough in the world to pursue the Israeli war criminals and all heinous crimes that they committed against the Palestinian people.
While the process might be long and perhaps complex, the Committee of Lawyers seems to have a clear roadmap, especially that the Zionist crimes in Palestine are crystal clear and has been documented in the last 50 days. Only a blinded person can see the 15,000 civilian lives who were murdered and the inhuman 3,400 massacres. The entire world witnessed the bombardment of hospitals and the forced displacement of people in Gaza. Images of babies having no weight in the country's politics, deprived from care, have crossed the globe, becoming a proof of another Zionist crime in Palestine. And from Algiers, a declaration was issued to incriminate every hand responsible for that.
Submitting reports to the Office of the Prosecutor of the International Criminal Court, filing criminal lawsuits against the perpetrators of crimes against the Palestinian people by leaders and members of the Israeli occupation authorities, forming a follow-up committee to implement the decisions and recommendations issued by the symposium, addressing the international organizations and bodies referred to in the symposium's recommendations to besiege and prosecute the occupying Israeli entity.
While Palestinians continue to resist the Zionist aggression with everything they have, a resistance by law was launched from the Algerian capital to support them in their struggle against injustice.